Have you been working on your pixel art, preparing for the upcoming chapter of the Metroidvania Forge series where we focus on enemies? And perhaps you wouldn't mind having your creation become part of the Metroidvania Forge canon. Okay, you're probably wondering what's going on here. So, I'm kicking off a Metroidvania Forge enemy design showcase. And what would that be, you might ask? So I want you guys, my community, to design enemies, build a pixel art sprite sheet for that enemy, submit it, and I'll feature every entry in an upcoming community video. Now, standout designs, exceptional artwork is going to make its way directly into Chapter 5 of the Metroidvania Forge series, where we focus on enemies and AI. In order for this to work, all of your entries need to have their own itch.io page, and they need to have proper licenses set so that others can use them. And there's details about that on the guidelines in the submission form. In addition to that, your sprite sheet should be a PNG with all of the frames for the animation needed. The frame size should be somewhere from 32 pixels by 32 pixels up to around 128 by 128 pixels. That, of course, is a general guideline, so you can adjust that a little bit as needed. Your 2D pixel artwork should, of course, be themed to match with the Metroidvania Forge series. Consider things like castles, dungeons, undead enemies, and other ideas along those lines. Make sure that your animations represent the abilities and the gameplay features that you want this enemy to have and to encompass. So that could be things like idle or fly animations, maybe they've got attack or a projectile animation, and of course something like a death animation might be appropriate as well. Animations can be somewhere in the range of 10 frames per second, and go ahead and consider the lore or other details or background for this character and include that on your itch.io page as well. Now, in addition to these guidelines, a couple important rules. All artwork needs to be your own, so if anything appears to be plagiarized, I'm not going to use it. I also am looking for unique human-created artwork, so anything that appears to be AI-generated also will probably get tossed off the list. All right, link is in the description. Submissions close on April 6th. So make sure you get started as soon as you can and get those submissions in once your artwork is ready. I'm really looking forward to this, and I'd love to showcase all of your work, including links to your itch.io page in the upcoming showcase video. And like I mentioned, those exceptional submissions have a chance to be included in the Metroidvania Forge series. So get started and let's build something awesome together.